Hi Priya, please come in. So tell me something about yourself. Myself Priya, I completed my graduation recently. Secret tip, never say myself Priya. Always say my name is Priya or I am Priya. को इंट्रोड्यूस करते टाइम इतना नर्वस क्यों हो जाते हो? मतलब आई हैव सीन पीपल हु जस्ट स्टार्ट टॉकिंग जब तक आप उनसे खुद नहीं पूछो कि आई डिडंट गेट योर नेम. Yes, I know self introduction gets awkward for most people, लेकिन खुद को confidently introduce कर पाना sets you apart from the crowd. Hi guys, I'm Arushi Bedi, ex-cabin crew and your communication coach. And honestly, self introduction को master करना बहुत easy है. इसलिए आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ how to introduce yourself in एनी सिचुएशन. हम सारी सिचुएशंस कवर करने वाले हैं तो वीडियो को पूरा जरूर देखना एंड लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट, वन लाइन इंट्रोडक्शन. दिस इज मोस्ट यूजफुल अगर आपने कहीं बुकिंग की है, कोई अपॉइंटमेंट है, इफ यू हैव अ रिजर्वेशन, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट शोइंग अप एंड सेइंग कि मेरी बुकिंग है या मैंने टेबल बुक किया है, विच मोस्ट पीपल डू. You instead say, "Hi, I'm Arushi. I have a reservation under my name." Hello, I'm Arushi Bedi and I've booked a table for 2. Hi, Arushi here. I have an appointment at 10 a.m. today. Hey, I'm Arushi. Can you confirm my booking for the flight? Dekha, very basic, to the point, and yet most people don't do this. So get used to using these phrases, introducing yourself, using your name. And this section is very simple. It does not require nice to meet you और हाउ आर यू. आपको एक हैरानी की बात पता है कि जब भी कस्टमर सर्विस ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है उन्हें कस्टमर प्रोफाइलिंग के बारे में भी सिखाया जाता है. मतलब ये तो बोला ही जाता है कि सबको इक्वली ट्रीट करना, बट कस्टमर प्रोफाइलिंग इज कंसिडर्ड सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि कस्टमर्स को प्रोफाइल करो. मतलब पीपल हु आर मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, हु आर वेल स्पोकन, हु प्रेजेंट देमसेल्व्स इन सच अ वे, they are always given that special extra attention to detail and that extra importance, and it's not just in India, it's globally. So moving on to our second situation, which is important interactions. Important interactions में there are two categories. One is casual interactions and one is formal interactions. तो पहले हम casual interaction के बारे में बात करते हैं. या तो आपके mutual friends हैं, या फिर you are going on a date, or you are meeting a stranger or meeting someone at a party. Casual interactions में you have the option of either using your first name or full name, and yes, you need to tell them what you are currently doing in the same sentence or even in the next sentence after they introduce themselves like this. Hi, I'm Arushi. Nice to meet you. Hey, I'm Arushi, ex-cabin crew, and it's great to meet you. Hello, I'm Arushi Bedi and I work in aviation. Hi, Arushi here. I'm currently working as a communication coach and it's really nice to meet you. Good evening, I'm Arushi Bedi. I'm an ex-flight attendant and it's an absolute pleasure to meet you. तो जैसे ही आप ये बोलोगे, simultaneously the other person also will introduce themselves and the communication starts. But you have made a great first impression by confidently telling them about yourself. Now let's move on to formal introduction. In a formal introduction, remember, this is not an interview introduction. वो हम इसके बाद cover करेंगे. Formal introduction is how you would introduce yourself to your colleagues, your boss, your teacher, your coach, formal event, a corporate dinner. And in a formal introduction, we need your full name and also what current position you're holding. In a formal introduction, you always use formal greeting, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of the day. Especially if you're just walking down the hallway or you meet someone in the lift, it can just as simple as morning or hey, good evening. Hi, hello also you can use to some extent, but in most of the cases it's formal greeting only. Let's take a look at some ways you can formally introduce yourself. Good evening, I'm Arushi Bedi. I'm an ex-flight attendant and it's an absolute pleasure to meet you. Hello, I'm Arushi Bedi and I'm currently working as a communication coach. Good afternoon, I'm Arushi Bedi, a former cabin crew, and I'm excited to be here. Good evening, I'm Arushi Bedi and I specialize in communication training. The same way here also, the moment you introduce yourself, the other person will give their introduction and the communication continues. Now moving on to our third scenario. So introduction in an interview. Most difficult and yet the most important, and इसके लिए कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी बिकॉज अदरवाइज द आंसर इज गोइंग टू लुक रिहर्स्ड और इवन मेमोराइज्ड. इतनी प्रैक्टिस करो सो दैट इट लुक्स एफर्टलेस. जैसे हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं, हमारा टोन एक्सप्रेशन लिटरली मैचेस टू व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से. द सेम नीड्स टू बी डन फॉर इंग्लिश. दिस इज द गोल. स्माइल, eye contact, English fluency. An ideal introduction can be of 5 to 6 sentences, not more than 60 seconds. Start with a greeting, end with a thank you. Let's watch. Good afternoon. I'm Arushi Bedi. I'm 26 years old and my hometown is in Delhi. It's also where I completed my high school from. And ever since I was little, I wanted to become a cabin crew. Was very sure about this career aspiration. And speaking of my hobbies, I like to read and travel, meet new people, understand about their culture. And I think that briefly describes me. Thank you. Always use this format and tweak it according to you. And always remember कि आंसर चाहे जितना भी अच्छा हो on paper, it is not even about कि आंसर क्या है. It is more about how you say it, how you are able to deliver it in front of the recruiter so that it looks genuine. So please throw out the nervousness, the fear, and rejection also gives you an opportunity to be better. I've shared this story before, but I'm going to share it again, that my friend was rejected in Qatar Airways 14 times before he actually got selected, and now he's traveling the world, he's living his dream life. So yes, preparation is the key and nervousness will ruin your performance. चाहे आपने घर पे बहुत अच्छे से perform किया हो, practice किया हो, if you are nervous, if you are scared, it is going to affect your chances. Remember this. And finally, concluding this video, we have covered one line introduction, we have covered important interactions, which is casual and formal, and we have also covered इंटरव्यू इंट्रोडक्शन. आई नो इन तीनों सिचुएशंस में भी ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत कम होते हैं वेर यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ, यू नो, बिकॉज वी डोंट गो आउट सो ऑफन, वी आर नॉट गिविंग इंटरव्यू एवरी सेकेंड डे. एंड स्ट्रेंजर्स से भी या ऑफिस में भी हम रोज़ ही नए लोगों से नहीं मिल रहे. सो आई गेट इट कि इतनी भी ज़्यादा बार नहीं है कि हमें रोज़ ही सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ रहा है. आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट जब भी आपको देना पड़े, always know how to do it because it really creates that first impression, because most people do not introduce themselves. So I really hope आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी and it helps you in becoming more confident. It helps you in becoming the best version of yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with a friend who is going to benefit from the same, and I will see you in my next one.